Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying peripherals and the basics so we can eliminate simple causes fast. First, confirm speakers or headphones and cables are working on another device. For Bluetooth, ensure pairing shows connected. Once done, open Windows 10 sound settings from the taskbar, choose the correct output device, and check the volume mixer for parat mute or low volume. These steps save time because many audio failures are just wrong device selection or muted apps. Next, you tackle drivers and services, which often cause intermittent audio. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then update the audio driver. If problems began after an update, roll back instead. After that, press Windows plus R, run services. MSC, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio and Point Builder so the system reinitializes the stack. Finally, open Playback Devices, select your device. Go to Properties Advanced, and test different sample rates to rule out format conflicts. For final resolution, run the built-in Playing Audio Troubleshooter. It automates common fixes and points to errors you can act on. If that fails, uninstall the audio driver, delete the driver software for this device, then reinstall either the vendor's official package or use Windows Update. If drivers and services are fine but audio still fails, create a new Windows user to test profile corruption or restore the system to a prior restore point. If nothing works, note the Event Viewer error codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.